Okay, so there's a new feature in Canvas right now where you can import content from one course to another course without having to go through the entire import process. You can just through a couple clicks of a button. So, for example, if you want to copy a page, an assignment, a quiz, I don't think you can do entire modules yet, but for example, if I want to copy a page, I need to go to that page, okay? So I'm going to just select a page here, and I want to copy this page into another one of my courses. So you go to the page, and you go to the three dots beside Edit, and you're going to click on Copy To. And over here, you select the course that you want to copy to. I have all these courses. You guys won't have as many, but you select that course, and then you can actually select what specific module that you want to put that page, assignment, quiz into. So, for example, under Science, McElrath, I could put it into this e-learning day module. And then once you do that and select copy, it'll take it a few minutes, but it will copy that page directly to that module in a different course. So if you have questions, let me know. I will be glad to help.